In this video, I will explain the discard points containing missing values toggle option. It is a setting that can have a huge impact on the nature of your investigation under certain circumstances and can lead to serious misunderstandings. Alright, let's jump to Patrol. In this example, we want to do analysis on porosity, permeability, and V-shale in these three logs. So we have porosity, permeability, V-shale. In the intervals I have marked here with yellow, we have what we define as missing values. So in well number A16, we have an interval of missing permeability log where the porosity and the V-shale is present. That is defined as an interval of points with missing values. And in well number 810, the whole V-shale log is not present, whereas both of porosity and permeability is present. That is also defined as an interval of missing values. Okay, so we want to do analysis of these logs, and I have built the investigation for these three wells with the three logs in them. So we have the three wells, we have porosity, permeability, V-shale, and spatial dimensions. And in this example, the discard samples containing missing values is toggled on. So let's push this one aside. And we want to do a per-perm crossplot analysis, so let's toggle it on here in the crossplot window. And we want to do a distribution analysis on the porosity, so we display the investigation with the porosity here in the histogram window. And if you don't know what the discard points containing missing values toggle box is doing to your investigation, you could easily think that you're looking at the per-perm crossplots for all three wells, and that we're looking at the porosity distributions from all three wells, but we're actually not. So let's try and toggle on the investigation here in the well section window, and let us try to color the investigation by wells. So you see that with this option toggled on, we're actually only looking at the porosity and permeability crossplot and the porosity distribution from wells A15 and A16. Even though porosity and permeability is present in A10, it is not included in the investigation, and that is because we have this interval that is defined as point with missing values. So if we want to do analysis on the full data set from porosity and permeability, we need to go in and untoggle this box. Untoggle. Okay, and now you see that we will have porosity and permeability included from well A10 and contribution from well A10 in the porosity histogram as well. So you see that this setting is very important, and having it toggled on can potentially leave a lot of data points out of your analysis that you would otherwise think is included. So please check this setting, and keep in mind that when you build investigations manually, this toggle is toggled on by default. So remember to toggle it off if you know that you have a certain log that is not present in all your wells. Alright, that was it for now. Thank you very much for watching.